Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Many students are asking me what about schools and colleges in TS and AP? Will they reopen on 17th of this month? 8 to 16 we have Pongal holidays, Sankranti holidays. So what about reopening? So in both the states, the governments have gathered some information, reports, official reports from the health department. The health department already submitted the reports to both the government, TS and AP. They say that if we reopen schools and colleges at this moment, virus may spread very fast, because this is a festive season and people move from one place to another place, and many religious congregations are there on the occasion of Sankranti. So especially in our both the states, it is celebrated for 3 days, 13, 14 and 15, like that. That's why, so virus may spread very fast. It's very dangerous to reopen the schools and colleges at this moment. The problem is with the residential schools, may it be social welfare, tribal welfare or minority. So gatherings are there. Students, they gather at one place. So in one room 3 or 4 members reside, and in mess study halls we can't avoid gatherings. So the major problem is with residential schools. Last year also, these schools, society schools, they suffered a lot. Last time also during the second wave. That's why, keeping in mind all these consequences, worst consequences, government is taking this time very precautionary measures. So prevention is better than cure, like that. It should not be blamed. That's why it is taking all preventive methods. It is following all preventive methods. And look at the figures. Yesterday, India recorded 2,47,417, but today, latest record is 2,64,202, 6.7 increase is there in the cases. In TS and AP also, cases are increasing, 2000, more than 2000, 3000 respectively, and every 2 days cases are doubling every 2 days. And positivity rate in the country, yesterday it was 13.11 and today 14.78. And Omicron cases, yesterday 5,488, today 5,753. So under these circumstances, so governments are so very alert, and now I don't think they are going to reopen the schools and colleges now. They will definitely instruct all the institutes, to educational institutions, schools and colleges, to revert to online method once again, to reopen online method, switch over to online method. So it will be declared tomorrow or day after tomorrow, 15 or 16, definitely in both the states, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, so wait for more for 2 days. Okay, 2 more days only we have to wait for, but definitely 99% reopening is not there. So we have to wait for another 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks, as per the health department officials. Okay students, now you should be get ready with your smartphones, laptops, whatever, mobile data, everything. So let us be ready for online method. We should adopt the new situation. We should be ready to adapt to the new situation. Okay, change is good only. Okay, take it positively, in a positive manner. Okay, so thanks for watching my videos. I will be right back with latest updates. Okay, see you very soon. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and support my channel. Meet again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.